Okay, this is Drew and Vicki. We are working on lesson 6 tonight, and maybe look at 7.
We haven't done lesson 5 yet today. We haven't done lesson 5 yet.
Oh, all right. Let's finish lesson 5 first then.
Okay. Yeah. How's that? We haven't done lesson 5 yet. I'm working on some right now. I'm just having a hard time. I'm on number 13 right now. I was having a hard time, so I'm kind of just trying to make sure I do it right, make sure I'm doing it correctly.
All right, well, maybe that's what we ought to do. Let's skip the questions. Let's just work through some of the problems we actually have.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, because the other ones I think I got right. I don't think they were. I think I got right. But like 13 through 18 is just working, just kind of just plugging everything in to like the z-score and like the proportion of all of it.
Yeah, and if you remember, that's what I told you I was having trouble with yesterday. I got
yeah.
Well, let me get there. I'm not there for a minute. Let me get there.
Okay.
I think I got everything but one of them right. Let me turn back to my notes.
Okay.
Are we talking about quiz 5?
Yes.
Okay, well, I missed actually 9, 10, 13, 15, and 18. But then I read them, I figured out what I had done wrong.
Okay. Yeah, I'm doing 13 right now. So I just don't know if my answer is correct or not.
All right, and we're doing the group meeting quiz, correct?
That is correct.
Okay. All right, well, why don't we go through, hold on one second.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just go through each question on 5.
Okay, that's fine. You pulled up already?
Yeah, I'm there. All right, so obviously 1 and 2 aren't a problem.
No.
All right, so 3.
Isn't 3 just 1?
Yeah, 3 was 1.
Okay.
3 was 1. 4 is false.
Correct. That's what I got.
I'm having trouble seeing my things. All right, so number 3 is this one. Okay. 2 is false. No, I mean 4 is false. 5 is.
Yeah, number. Yeah.
All right,
5's true.
5 is true.
Yeah.
6 is C.
I got C.
Yeah, me too. 7 is B.
Yep, that's what I got.
8 is 68.
This is 68. Okay.
See, so far these were easy, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, so far, yeah, it's not too bad. Not till like 13.
Yeah. 8. So we're on 9. 9, I just didn't round it correctly. I had put like 0.684 or 682 and it's 0.683. What did you get?
Oh, okay. But I must be way off. I got point. For 9, I'm way off. I got 0.313, so I'm not sure what I did wrong in putting in an applet.
Well, should we work one out? Do you want to go to it and work it out?
Yeah, let's work it out, because I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know what I got wrong. Why I got the wrong answer.
All right, let's do 9. All right, so suppose that z-score comes from a standard deviation. Let me go to it to make sure that because I took notes on all of these so I could figure out how to do it.
Yeah.
Okay, are we doing, what number are we doing?
Number 9.
Okay, because I've got notes for 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 6, and 10. I don't have notes for 9.
Oh, okay.
All right. All right, well, let's just do it. Okay, so we need to go to the applet. And the question,
yeah, that's how that.
All right, the question for 9 is what proportion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1?
Yeah.
So if you go to the applet and you
I'm on it right now.
All right, between -1 and 1, it shows that it's 0.3173. No, I had the wrong thing clicked.
Correct.
Yeah, it's 0.6827. You probably did the same
where
thing.
are you getting
You had
that?
the wrong thing. Unclick the 2 side ones and click the middle one. So the middle is blue. Between the -1 and 1 is blue.
Oh, I got it now. Okay, that makes way more sense.
So the answer, you round it up. It's 0.683.
Oh, okay. That actually makes it a little bit easier to do now.
So if you're doing the applet, are you on the applet right now? And you've got the red lines on the one?
Yes, I am.
All right, and the blue is
Correct.
highlighted in the middle? Okay. All right, let's go to 10.
So 10 is a 0.955.
10 is 0.955, yes.
Okay, and then 11, I'm guessing is, if I did the correct point, is it just 0.997?
Correct.
Okay. Okay, that makes way more sense. Thank you for doing that. That makes way more sense now.
All right. Well, I think we're going to need to spend the time, like you said, on the 13 through 18. Okay.
Yeah,
so then 12 is A.
Correct.
Okay. 13. All right. I had trouble with these two, but let me think. I think I worked 13 out today.
Okay, I was working out a little bit. I put it in the formula for the Z, and I came out with like -7142. I'm not sure if I have to plug it into applet.
Okay, so this is the one where all right, let's do a little thing. So the population mean is 0.65, right?
Yes.
So the mean is 0.65. The z-score is 0.385. Now, do you know how I got that?
I have no clue how you got that. I didn't know we had to get the z-score. I didn't get that.
Okay, so you take the number that we were working on, which was the point. Let's see. What proportion of that have less than 0.6? Okay, so what the number we're trying to work on is 0.6.
Correct.
Okay, so that would be
Is
the
that
number.
the
So you
variable
go
in the equation?
0.6 minus the mean,
population mean.
which is 0.65.
Okay, yeah, I got that.
All right, and then you divide that by the standard deviation, which was 0.07.
Yep. Correct. Yeah, I did all that.
All right, so I have, and then we have to solve for x. And so you take, and this is where I got confused also. But to solve for x, you take the 0.385. No, negative. It's got to be a negative. Negative 0.385.
Where's the 385 coming from? Like, I'm not even seeing it anywhere.
Oh, that's the z-score. It's the 0.6 minus the 0.64 divided by the 0.07.
And that equals 0.385?
Well, let's do it. I'll do it right now. So we've got a 0.6 minus 0.64 equals divided by 0.07 equals, no, I did it by 0.7 instead of 0.07. All right, let me do it again. So I've got a 0.6 minus a 0.64 equals divided by.
Isn't it 6.5?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that would make a difference. All righty. I wrote it down wrong. All right. Yeah, the 0.65 is the 0.65 is the median. No, the mean. The mean. Don't get confused. Okay.
Yeah.
So you take the 0.6 minus the 0.65 equals divided by 0.07 equals 0.7142857.
Yeah.
Okay, so 714. So that's the mean. No. That's the z-score.
Yes.
Okay. So then you take the z-score, and if we're trying to figure out what proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.6. And the answer is 0.238. It didn't ask us that. No, because isn't it the population and the population population mean protein requirement. Normally, no, it's a normally distributed population, so it would be it wouldn't be skewed one way or the other.
Okay.
In the definition, it says a normally distributed.
All right. So I typed in the z-score then into the applet.
Now let's do that.
Okay, so we're on 0.714. Are we clicking in the middle to get proportion? Is that what we're getting? Or we're trying to do less?
No, you're going to click on everything to the left of the point.
Okay.
What did we get? The point something. The 0.714. You want all the numbers to the left of the 0.714.
Okay.
And then what's the number at the top?
I got 0.2376. It'll be 0.238.
That's it. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's the answer.
Oh, okay.
0.238.
I wrote it out. Yeah, I wrote it out. I was on the right track, but I stopped at the 0.2376. I wasn't sure if I was on the right track or not.
Okay, so 14 is, I think, very similar. Why don't you stay there?
Okay, I'll check. I'll do 14.
Okay, 14 is what proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is more than 0.60?
So
you find out the z-score, like we just said, but we found out the z-score already, and it was 0.714.
Yeah,
so what's to the right of that number on the applet now?
Same thing, 0.2376.
Okay, what number are we on? 14?
Yeah.
Yeah, 0.763.
0.7163.
0.763. Is that what it shows on your thing?
It does not. I'm getting the same number. Like as I click to the right, I'm still just getting I'm getting the same as the left as 0.2376 at the top.
All right, what number are we working on? 14?
Yes. And yeah, because now we're looking for greater than 60 grams instead of less. He says 0.762.
0.763 is the answer.
Oh, really? Okay. So I can see that happen because when I click the middle and I click the right, it comes up as 0.7624.
Okay, that's right.
What I get.
All right. Well, then you're doing the right thing.
Okay, but you said 763, not 0.762.
I think the lines are sometimes a little bit skewed, you know? You don't know exactly.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Okay. All right, 15. So what's 15 question? Because the answer is the same. 15 answer is 0.762.
Okay, so all I gotta do is just the same thing. 170 minus 165.
Wait a minute, don't we have to figure out the z-score for 0.70 now?
Yes, that's correct. That's what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
Let's see. 170 minus 0.5 divided by 0.07. I got 0.7142 again as the z-score.
For 15? Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So put that in the applet. Go ahead and put that in the applet.
0.714. Let's see. So is this gonna be 0.762?
On 15, yeah.
Am I
on? No, it's 0.762. That's correct.
Okay, oh, that's all making sense now. Okay. 16. 16 is more different, and now we're looking for the probability.
All right, now what number are we on, 16?
That is correct.
Okay. All right, talk through it.
All right, so it says, find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that's between 0.60 and 0.70 grams. It says, hint, remember that to find the area between two values, shade to the left of each z-score you calculate, and then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. Make sure your answer is positive. This is the probability that a randomly selected observation will lie between the two values. So we're looking for 2 z-scores for both.
Yeah.
Z, so it's 0.60 minus 0.65. 0.0 equal. Negative 0.714. And then 7 equal. Point 7 equal. Yeah, for the z-score for 60 grams, it's going to be the same. It's going to be negative 0.714, and then the z-score for 70 is going to be 0.714 is what I get.
Okay. So then put the 714 in the applet, and what's between them?
So in the middle, so in between them, it's 0.5248, so it'll be 0.525.
Okay, so move your thing a little bit because the answer is 0.526. You know what I mean? When you put the 0.714, you know how it's a little bit vague? Sometimes it doesn't get right on it.
Yeah.
The answer is 0.526. So, but you've got the right concept, doing it right. For sure.
Okay, so 5.526. Okay. Okay, no, I get it now. Yeah, I moved it a little bit. It makes sense. I got it. There it is. All right, so 17. 17 says find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults. Round your answer to 3 decimal places. I'm not sure what to ask, how to go about that then, because I know it sounds simple, but
no. All right, that's fine. Let me look at it. Let me do it because I got that one right the first time I did it. So, and the 35th percentile. Oh, the 35th percentile. So you have to. That's what I missed on the homework one too.
Okay.
Okay. So find the 35th percentile. Number 5. Number 10. Okay. So we have to figure out what the mean is. So what's our mean?
Well, let's see.
We have it already.
See, the mean is 0.65.
All right. And the standard deviation
is 0.07.
And so we need to find the z-score. Oh, so we've got to do the 35th percentile. And so go to the applet.
Okay.
And put it on 35 on the sides and see what the z-score is.
So 35 on the z-score?
It's 0.935, I think.
0.9. Is 0.935 the z-score?
Well, when you put the lines on 35, what is to the, and just click on everything to the left of that.
34.
the first 35 because it's below 50. So it's below the mean. And what's the number at the top?
So the area. So I'm looking at area. I'm looking at 0.3508.
Is it 0.935? Something like that?
Let me see.
Because I'm not doing the
Z-score. I get 0.9. Okay. Well, yeah. So right now the area is 0.3508 and the Z-score is 0.933.
Okay. So let's use that. We lose 0.933. 0.933 is the Z-score. Okay.
Yes.
So then you have to solve for X. So the equation is 0.933 equals X minus the mean, which is 0.65.
Correct.
Divided by the 0.07, which is the standard deviation. Correct?
Correct.
All right. So to do that, you're going to multiply them both by 0.07. Correct?
What am I multiplying?
Well, I think you multiply both sides of the equation.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Well, yeah. So like what I did, I just divided 0.65 by 0.07, and that was going to multiply the 0.933.
We'll try that, and I'll do it the other way.
Okay, so 0.65 negative 0.665, and then times that by 0.933. I got negative 8.663.
Okay, I'm in a very low light, and my calculator's not working, so I got to try it again.
Okay.
All right, so I got 0.933 times 0.07 equals 0.0653. So I would go 0.0653 on one side, and then the 0.65 times 0.07 equals 0.0042, and then you would take the 0.042, no, you would add that to the 0.933. No, you would add that to the 0.0653. All right.
Oh, okay.
Because that's how you do the algebraic equation, right?
Correct.
53 plus 0.0042 would equal 0.695. So 0.06, so 0.07. That's not the right answer. The right answer for 15 was 0.762.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I got something wrong. Like I got negative 0.8663.
Well, so we both got it wrong. So we obviously don't know the equation for it. All right, you know what? What time is it? It's 8:40. Let's stop and let's try to go on to the teacher's thing. He was supposed to have class from 8 to 9 every night. Did you read that? Watch that video?
I did. Yeah. No, I did see that.
All right, let's go on. Let's try to do that.
Okay. Yeah. Let's try. Right. Let's do that right now.
I'll turn on this for tonight. I'll turn this in for tonight.
All right. Sounds good. Thanks, Vicki.
All right. Thanks. Talk to you tomorrow.
All right. See you tomorrow.